Welcome back, everybody, to the new house build. This is part 4 of the roof project. The previous parts, the intro 2 and 3, I'll put links down in the description below if you want, and kind of catch up where we're at today. This here is probably going to be my favorite part of the project because everything in the house really starts to take shape and form. This house does have an indoor in-ground pool, which is going to be very interesting, and really looking forward to framing around that and see how everything works there. Just hang in there, stick with me, and we'll take you through the process. Little update on the roof project. We have our floor joists done, decking on, and we are currently framing up walls. We're going to be standing these 2 completed walls up very shortly. Now, as far as the pool, we're kind of doing the main house first, and then we're going to go over and start framing for the pool. Once the walls are up, then we can begin our interior layout. Okay, we got the 2 main walls put up for the main house. We're going to do the exterior wall on the other side towards the driveway. It's going pretty smoothly. There's really no hiccups or anything, so I think we're doing okay. Right here. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Update on the new house build. As you can see, we have our exterior walls up with our zip sheathing, and our pool exterior walls are getting worked on. Come with me, we're going to go inside and take a look at the layout that we have. Okay, first we'll start here on the left. This is the stairwell. Stairwell is going to go down and obviously into the basement. It's going to be an open railing system going all the way around. And next, we're going to step into our kitchen. Our kitchen, this is just kind of a rough layout. But this thing here, we have marked out with duct tape. That's going to be the island. The end of the duct tape represents the edge of the countertop. As you see, our kitchen goes all the way around, and it's going to end somewhere in this door. We just got to design some cabinetry to it. Where I am standing is roughly the dining room area. This is going to be the living room area. We kind of kept it an open concept for in here. And this front door here is going to go out on to the deck. And then we'll just picture this coming into this doorway here. We're going to have a hall closet right here. Now we turn to the right out of the front door. This is the living room area. And then from this area too, you're going to see the whole entire kitchen. Where these orange corners are, those are representing each room. So here to the left is going to be the door in this area going into the master bedroom. If we go into the master bedroom, we got a nice window. We have a decent sized bathroom. We're going to put a stand-up shower in here, and it's all going to be curbless. Now coming into the bathroom, we are going to have a pocket door and maybe a barn door going into her craft room / office. Now coming here, This here, we're gonna have a walk-in pantry down the hallway. This will be a powder room. And then down this way, this is gonna be the living room. This hallway, which marks right here, this is going to be the sunroom. In through the sunroom, we have 2 big windows. Got enough room here, you can put some benches, kind of look at the pool. This is the big part of the house. 8-foot sliding glass door. Now we are going to have a handicap accessible ramp come down and then go left. And it's gonna end right roughly by where that window's at. And then we're also gonna have a set of steps going forward. Originally, we actually made this 4 foot bigger. Out on this end here, we went out another 4 foot there, and then we went out 6 foot here in the front to fit the ramp. And this is the walkway here. You're gonna have a exercise room, the pool room, bathroom, and storage room. And what our goal is in here for the ceilings is we are having a coffer ceiling inside of the pool room, which I think would be really nice. Of course, that's just a rough tour of what we got going on here. Tomorrow, we got to rake around some gravel down in the basement, maybe spray paint some lines to get like a rough idea where our bathrooms and everything are going to be downstairs, because we got to get ready for our plumbing down there so we can get our basement floor finished. Well, thanks for sticking around. Stay tuned for more updates on the new house build. And remember to like, share, subscribe. Come back for more.